Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So your Feedly account has been growing for a while now. You have added feeds for every interest, every hobby, every new source you could find, but let's be honest, some of those feeds you never actually read. They just sit there, cluttering up your feed list and making it harder to find the content you actually care about. Maybe a blog stopped publishing, maybe your interests changed, maybe you just follow too many sources and now it's totally overwhelming. Whatever the reason is, it's time to clean the house. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe from a feed in Feedly. Whether you are on the web or mobile, let's get into it. So for the first idea, try to unsubscribe from the left navigation panel. This is the basically quickest method on the web version. Log into Feedly on the web, feedly.com in the left navigation panel, find the feed you want to remove, hover over the feed name, click the three dots more options icon, and select unsubscribe from the drop-down menu. Confirm when prompted. So the feed will be removed from your account immediately. As for now, I'm gonna go and show you how to do it on the app. So for example, I have Explore. I have other options here, text only, magazines, card, whatsoever. And here I have basically the pages I want to follow. So for example, you only have to tap this plus button, then add it to your favorite folder. As for now, this is my folders. So for example, if I want to basically delete any of those, this is my two folders, food and tech. I'm gonna come here on the food. Basically the food section. I'm gonna long press it, then tap on unfollow, it's remove, and that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching, I'll see you all in the next video.